10 to 20 miles per hour, and we know how dry it is.
Very dry, very easy for things to catch fire out there and to continue on. And you talk about like the fire behavior. Right now we're seeing pretty consistent wind speeds, but occasionally we are getting some stronger gusts of 30, 35 miles per hour. And of course, depending on the terrain there, that can be accelerated. So let's take you out and about and show you how things are shaping up so far. I want to also point out you can actually see this fire on visible satellite imagery. So this is a loop of the last 6 hours. Now look at the area circled in yellow right here. So this is the area we're talking about just west of 197, south of the Dalles. Here, we'll zoom in a little bit closer and show you. Now noticing there's the smoke from that fire. Again, west of 197, southwest of Dufur. You can see it popping up right there. So once again, it is just very dry and hot. We know the theme here. As mentioned before, Jennifer was talking about this, a Long Hollow fire. Good news is that's 95% contained. Our new fire here, the South Valley fire, that's over 1,000 acres now. Milepost 90 fire, about 20% contained. So very dry spot right there. Want to take you on a fire tour. Ferguson fire, Yosemite, that continues to burn. Let's go on up through the Mendocino complex. So far, only 12% contained. The Carr fire, only 30% contained. Up through Northern California, over to the Klondike fire. We've seen a big complex of fires there just south of Medford. Now we go up to Central Oregon and Eastern Oregon, where we have those 3 fires burning right now. The South Valley fire, the newest fire for us, once again, it's roughly southwest of Dufur, approaching 197. Sustained winds look like this. You can see right here on the map, strongest winds right around the Dalles, 23 miles per hour, getting gusts occasionally up to about 30 miles per hour. Long-term forecast, let's talk about the cool down and any moisture that might actually aid in firefighting efforts. So tonight, you'll notice those clouds moving in. Tomorrow, it's all about cloudy skies to start you off, even in our valley areas. North end of the valley will probably be the cloudiest. Noticing south of Salem, you're looking at some nice clearing in the afternoon. Along the coast and also along the Columbia River, southwest Washington, best chance you might pick up a little bit of drizzle, enough that you might be able to get a trace or even a few hundredths of an inch. As we see how consistent it'll be, probably a couple hours early Friday morning. Here we go, Friday about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We might see a repeat of some drizzle in the late afternoon, but you can see how isolated this is. This is not going to be widespread drizzle by any means, just the north end of the valley. We're clear through Saturday. Sunday, a few more clouds pop in, and then Monday, about 6:30 in the morning, we're starting to clear out. But this looks pretty impressive offshore. This big area of low pressure, it wants to approach the coastline. It's going to try, but a big ridge of high pressure out over the western states will likely prevent that from moving on shore, which as a result will keep us partly cloudy but dry all the way through Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And we were just talking about drizzle. Well, how much? Maybe a few hundredths of an inch. You can see the numbers popping up right here. Best chance to measure anything would probably be north of Salem and then over to Astoria, perhaps a tenth of an inch. Coastal temperatures tomorrow, mid-60s. Inland valleys, it's beautiful. Mid to upper 70s. Central Oregon temperatures a little bit cooler, but still in the upper 80s, low 90s range. And over to Hood River, 78, the Dalles, 85 tomorrow. That'll be a nice improvement. Government Camp, 65. And then we stay with the 70s through Friday. We're back to the 80s for the weekend and then warming up once again to the 90s next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
So remember last summer when we had all the smoke sitting over the metro area? We've talked about this before, right? How come we're not inundated with that again this year?
Yeah, thanks to the winds aloft. We're actually, about 2 days ago, we saw really smoky looking air. So our winds at 6,000 feet and above, if you could look at a profile of the atmosphere, you would see they were coming right up the valley from the south. That was bringing all that smoke up into the northern end of the valley, just west of the Cascades, and then wrapping around the other side to Central Oregon. Now what we're seeing is onshore flow and winds aloft, both coming from the west-southwest, pushing all that smoke out to the east. So not bad air quality.
Conditions.
Yes.
Yeah, very different. Let's go live now to our island.